Thank you, Sam, and thank you to those who have given their views on the studio. It's true that currently NHIF does not cover screening and some of the diagnostics, and that is why we are reforming, or we have reformed NHIF. The other issue that came out there, you must have had one who gave a testimony that they got to take their NHIF card after they were diagnosed. So we have an issue of adverse selection, that until you is to have a chronic illness, that is when now you go and get your insurance. That is our second problem with the NHIF as it is currently. The other issue that they have talked about is of top-up. That is to mean there is a limit within NHIF. The treatment can be covered. They have also talked about some of the procedures that are not covered. That means there's exclusion by NHIF. What are the reasons why we have now have social health authority? What we have done in social health authority is to take care of their life from the time a mother is expectant. That is covered under social health authority until to the time that that person is maturing and, God forbid, death. We have covered in the social health authority. Specifically for, we have ensured that we are covering